Hi P2, it's week 3 of our Friday dictation, and this week we are working on CVC words where I is the middle vowel. So I'm going to dictate again 4 simple sentences. They'll have all the words that you were learning this week in them. Remember to listen first and don't write anything until I've called out each sentence twice. Remember also your capital letter at the start of your sentence, your full stop at the end, and your finger spaces between your words. Here we go. You are a kid. You are a kid. I did it. I did it. Get rid of it. Get rid of it. It is Sid. It is Sid.